Good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to the class of mathematics. So today we will start with chapter rational number. This is for class 7th and 8th. So let's begin with this chapter. First of all, in this chapter we will read about rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers includes natural numbers, whole numbers, and integer. A number of the form p by q, where q is not equals to 0, is called a rational number. Here, p and q both are integers. For example, minus 5 by 6, 11 by 5, 2 by 50. Negative and positive rational number. If p and q both are positive, then the rational number is also positive. For example, 7 by 8, 56 by 145, 6 by 1259. If p and q both are negative, then also the rational number is positive. For example, minus 56 by 65. So here both the numerator as well as the denominator is negative. So 56 by 65, as when we simplify these two, the negative sign will cancel each other. Next, if any of p or q is negative, then the rational number is negative. For example, 98 by minus 5, minus 1 by 2. Next is properties of rational number. So property of rational number lie under the four operation of arithmetic. First is addition of rational number. Next is subtraction of rational number. Next one is multiplication of rational number. And the last one is division of rational number. So we will start with addition of rational number. So first property here is closure property, which says that if a and b are two rational number, then their sum will also be a rational number. For example, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, we get 5 by 4, which is also a rational number. Next is commutative property. The sum of two rational numbers does not depend on the order in which they are added. A plus B is equal to B plus A. For example, suppose you have two rational numbers 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So when you add 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, you will get 4 by 6. And when you add 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, then also you will get 4 by 6. Next is associative property. The sum of three or more rational number does not depend on the way they are added. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Next is identity property. Property of 0. 0 added to any rational number, the number does not change. So if you add 0 plus A, then you will get A. Next is additive inverse. If the sum of two rational number is 0, then the other number will be the additive inverse. For example, suppose 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. That means minus 2 by 3 is additive inverse of 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is additive inverse of minus 2 by 3. Next is subtraction of rational number. So first property is closure property. This says that if A and B are two rational number, then their difference is also a rational number. For example, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 is equals to minus 1 by 4, which is a rational number. Next is commutative and associative property. Rational number do not hold commutative and associative property under subtraction. Next is multiplication of rational number. So first one is closure property, which says that if a and b are two rational number and we multiply these two rational number, then we get again a rational number. For example, 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 2. Next one is commutative property, which says that two rational number can be multiplied in any order. The answer will be same. For example, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 6, and 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 is also equals to 1 by 6. Next is associative property, which says that the product of three or more number does not depend on the order they are multiplied. Example, a into bracket b into c is equal to bracket a into b into c. Next is multiplicative identity. This property says that the product of any rational number with 1 is the number itself. Example, if you multiply any rational number by 1, you will get the number itself. A into 1 is equals to a, and 1 into a is also equals to a. Next is zero property, property of zero. This says that the product of any rational number with 0 is equals to 0. Next is distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. This says that a multiply bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Under subtraction, it is a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. So distributive property does not hold over multiplication and division. Example, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2 by 6 is equals to 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 2 by 6. When you solve both the sides, left hand side as well as the right hand side, the answer will be same.